Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the prerequisites. You need admin privileges, a valid activation token, and open firewall ports. Once those are ready, upload the TLS certificate and register the service account on the activation portal. Make sure DNS or AIA records point to the activation server and that NTP time sync is enabled. Inconsistent time breaks authentication. Now, obtain the server's IP and copy the API key into a secure temporary file so you can use it in the next command steps. You now run the activation command using the saved token and API key, specifying the server endpoint. As the CLI exchanges certificates, validate the server fingerprint and accept it only if it matches your expected value. This prevents man-in-the-middle attacks. After certificate exchange, push the organization role policies to bind users and services. Make sure to tail activation. Log in real time and review exit codes. If a step fails, the logs will show whether it's a permission problem or network rejection, guiding your next action. Once activation completes, you verify success in the admin portal and perform a test API call to confirm authentication and permissions behave as expected. Immediately rotate any temporary keys and store long-lived credentials in a secure vault. Enable alerts for auth failures. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting by checking DNS resolution, NTP time skew, firewall rules, token expiry, and the full certificate chain. Those are the usual culprits. If the issue persists, capture logs and retry the activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.